Hello and welcome back to the 7-day spoken Hindi course by The Language Mastery. Hope the day one content is clear and now you are ready to introduce yourself in Hindi. But did you all complete the homework I assigned on day one? I hope you did it. Today is day 2 of your spoken Hindi challenge. We are going to learn the sentence structure in Hindi and 10 most essential verbs with examples. Before I begin, I need to highlight the importance of the sentence structure. Here are 3 reasons why sentence structure is important in Hindi. First, it ensures clarity and meaning. If your sentence is well structured, it actually helps to convey the intended message clearly, right? And also, if you misplace the words, it can lead to a lot of confusion and change in the meaning entirely. Example, Ram ate food versus the food ate Ram. Second, you have to maintain the sentence order. Yes, Hindi sentence structure is not like English sentence structure. The position of the subject, object and the verb plays a very important role in the sentence structure. Third, it affects politeness and formality. So the way you actually structure a sentence can change its level of politeness and formality. It could turn into a direct command or a polite request. Now let's get into the sentence structure. We are going to discuss only the simple present tense today. So the sentence structure in English usually follows subject, verb, object. So this is the order. The subject comes first, followed by the verb, and finally the object. Example, I am eating pizza. So here, I am is the subject, eating is in the second position, it is the verb, and the object pizza is at the last. Now, the sentence structure in Hindi is subject followed by object and the verb at the last. This is really important. So, the subject comes first and the verb goes to the last. Example, मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रहा हूँ और मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रही हूँ. Here, मैं becomes the subject, pizza is the object and it is in the second position. And the most important one is खा रहा हूँ or खा रही हूँ is the verb that goes to the last. I hope I made it clear. Let's learn 10 common verbs and then finally we use these verbs to frame the simple sentence in the present. To come, आना, आना. To go, जाना, जाना. To eat, खाना, खाना. To drink, पीना, पीना. To do, करना, करना. To take, लेना, लेना. To give, देना, देना. To speak or to talk is बोलना, बोलना. To ask, पूछना, पूछना. To sleep, सोना, सोना. Now let's form simple sentences using these verbs. But wait, you want to speak Hindi faster, right? To speak Hindi faster, frame simple sentences while keeping key details like office, work, book, project, call, bank, etc. in English only. But if you try to translate these particular words in actual Hindi, then you are complicating in the beginning stages. Of course, you can use it, but in the later stages as you learn more and more vocabulary. The rule is to keep it simple. To come, आना. Example, I am coming from office. मैं ऑफिस से आ रहा हूँ. मैं ऑफिस से आ रहा हूँ. If you are a male. मैं ऑफिस से आ रही हूँ. मैं ऑफिस से आ रही हूँ. If you are a female. To go, जाना. I am going home. मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. मैं घर जा रहा हूँ और मैं घर जा रही हूँ. मैं घर जा रही हूँ. To eat, खाना. Example, I am eating pizza. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रहा हूँ. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रहा हूँ और मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रही हूँ. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रही हूँ. To drink, पीना. I am drinking coffee. मैं कॉफ़ी पी रहा हूँ, मैं कॉफ़ी पी रहा हूँ. और मैं कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ, मैं कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ. To do, करना. I am doing work. मैं वर्क कर रहा हूँ, मैं वर्क कर रहा हूँ. और मैं वर्क कर रही हूँ, मैं वर्क कर रही हूँ. So this is what I have highlighted. Do not try to use work as calm in the initial stages. You can simply use work as work. But in the later stages, as you move forward by learning more and more vocabulary, of course you can use proper Hindi. To take, लेना. I am taking off. मैं ऑफ ले रहा हूँ, मैं ऑफ ले रहा हूँ. और मैं ऑफ ले रही हूँ, मैं ऑफ ले रही हूँ. To give, देना. I am giving advice. मैं एडवाइस दे रहा हूँ, मैं एडवाइस दे रहा हूँ. और मैं एडवाइस दे रही हूँ, मैं एडवाइस दे रही हूँ. To speak or to talk, बोलना. I am speaking in हिंदी. मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ. और मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ, मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ. To ask, पूछना. I am asking doubts. मैं doubts पूछ रहा हूँ, मैं doubts पूछ रहा हूँ. और मैं doubts पूछ रही हूँ, मैं doubts पूछ रही हूँ. Final one. To sleep, सोना. I am sleeping in car. मैं कार में सो रहा हूँ, मैं कार में सो रहा हूँ. और मैं कार में सो रही हूँ, मैं कार में सो रही हूँ. That's all for today, and now it's your turn to do some homework. I'm giving you 10 important verbs in English. Now you try translating them and you have to frame simple sentences using them. Let's see how well you are learning. To test your progress, you can share your homework with us on WhatsApp, number provided in the description. You can send it as written notes or even voice messages. Looking forward for your response. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.